Hi guys, so welcome to the last part of my quick tutorial for swiftui custom tab bar for iOS 16. So in this video, we would like to see how to pass data from a home view to the product detail view. So how should we do it? So in your root enum, we will add associated value for our product detail. So in this example, I just added a title and an amount with type string and integer. And the next thing you will do is go to your coordinator and do it like this. And in your product detail view, you can create state variables for the title and amount and initialize it on the init function. Then you can use it on your view. In the code where you will push the product detail, or the part where you will navigate to the product detail, you will pass here the actual data that you would like to pass. In this case, I just pass keyboard and amount 1. We can change this so that we will see the change. For example, monitor. And let's try it out. So I will pass a data from the home view, the monitor, and amount 101, and we will see it on the product detail view. So monitor and amount 101. So that's it for my quick tutorial video on how to pass data using coordinator pattern. If you like my video series, please hit like and subscribe. And the next thing is I will be doing different video topics for iOS. Stay tuned. Thank you.